You have explosive power, you have the technique, but 1 minute into a real sparring round, your gas tank is completely empty. You think the answer is to just run more miles. That's a lie. You don't have a cardio problem, you have an efficiency problem. There are 10 invisible habits that separate the fighter with a 3-round gas tank from the one with a 12-round engine. In this video, I'm giving you the complete blueprint. First, the most critical habit you're ignoring. Stop mouth breathing in training. Breathing through your nose forces you to be calm, lowers your heart rate, and delivers oxygen more efficiently. A panicked mouth breather is a gassed-out fighter. Tension is the enemy of stamina. Every tensed muscle is a lit fuse on your gas tank. The habit is active relaxation. You should be completely loose, shoulders down, arms like whips, until the moment of impact. A beginner fights at 100% intensity all the time. A pro lives at a controlled 80%. This is the habit of pacing. You find a powerful, sustainable rhythm that you can maintain, and you only explode to 100% for brief, fight-ending moments. Every time your feet leave the ground, you are wasting energy. The habit is to glide. Stay connected to the canvas. Your feet should slide, making small, purposeful adjustments. It's infinitely more efficient than constant nervous bouncing. Constant dramatic head movement looks cool, but it burns massive energy. The most efficient defense is the simplest. The habit is to favor blocks and parries. Use your guard to deflect shots. It costs almost zero energy compared to a full-body weave. Save your slips for when you're setting up a counter. If you're ready to stop just training hard and start training smart, hit that subscribe button. We build complete fighters, not just heavy hitters. Long, slow jogs are a waste of time. Fights are sprints, not marathons. The habit is interval training. Sprint for 30 seconds, then walk for 60. Repeat. This trains your body to recover explosively, which is the single most important factor in multi-round endurance. Don't just go to war in sparring. The habit is to spar with a specific goal. One day, your only goal is to maintain a low heart rate. The next, your only goal is to land jabs. By focusing on one skill, you prevent the panicked energy dump of trying to do everything at once. Most fighters shadowbox first. This is a mistake. The habit is to put your most technical work, shadowboxing, footwork drills, at the end of your workout when you are already exhausted. This forces your body to learn efficiency when it has no other choice. The clinch isn't just for defense, it's a secret weapon for endurance. A bigger, stronger opponent will try to muscle you. The habit is to learn how to use frames and leverage to carry their weight, forcing them to burn energy while you get a 10-second break. You don't build endurance in the gym, you build it when you sleep. Pushing yourself every single day without adequate rest leads to burnout and a broken gas tank. The final habit is to treat your sleep and rest days with the same discipline you treat your training. There you have it, 10 habits. This is the system. Stop chasing a bigger gas tank and start building a more efficient engine. It's not about how much energy you have, it's about how little you waste. So be honest, which of these 10 habits are you weakest at? Let me know in the comments. If you're ready to build your engine, hit subscribe. And to see the #1 reason for wasted energy, watch my video on why you're gassing out right here on the screen. Train smart. Stay ready.